everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Exfoliating the skin is good for your skin. The fact that it helps to clear the skin of grease, dirt, and also it helps to unclog the pores that are loaded with dead skin cells. Now when you exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week, your skin will look fresh, bright, and supple. Now there are many ingredients out there that you can use to exfoliate your skin, but the easiest and the quickest exfoliator that you can make is simply to use some sugar. Now you can choose to use white sugar or brown sugar, but personally for me, I like to use brown sugar. So today I'm going to show you how you can use brown sugar to make an exfoliator for your skin that is going to brighten and lighten the skin, clear your skin from grease and dirt, and leave your skin just soft, supple, with a natural glow. So if you're interested in a very simple, a very basic, but very effective homemade facial scrub that you can whip up in your kitchen in just a couple of minutes and get amazing results, come with me to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make it in your kitchen in 1, 2, 3. Take a look at the first ingredient, and this is brown sugar. Brown sugar contains alpha hydroxy acid. It is great for cleansing your skin, getting rid of the dead skin cells. It will help to polish your skin, clean the pores out, and leave your skin just soft, clear, and supple. An amazing ingredient to use as a base for your homemade facial scrub. Now, if you do not have brown sugar, you can go ahead and you can use some white sugar. However, brown sugar tend to be softer on your skin than the white sugar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the brown sugar away and I'm going to introduce the second ingredient. The next ingredient is tomato, and today I'm going to be using plum tomato. I'm going to use about a half of a plum tomato. Now tomato contains brightening properties. It helps to increase a fairness on the skin, and it also helps to balance the pH. It helps to tighten pores. It can help to treat sunburn, and it's good for irritation and also for getting rid of acne. Tomato also helps to exfoliate the skin, cleaning out those pores, getting rid of dead skin cells, and leaving the skin bright and radiant. Tomato is also good if you have acne prone skin. Tomato is a perfect ingredient to use on oily skin since it will help to cleanse off the grease from the skin and just leave your skin looking amazing. Now let's take a look at our next ingredient, which is banana. And here I have a very ripe banana. Now the riper the better the banana for your skin, especially when you are looking to lighten and brighten the skin and clear the skin of spots and blemishes. Banana is rich in potassium. It will help to moisture the skin. It will help to hydrate the skin. Banana also contains a very important vitamin, which is vitamin A, and this will help to smooth out your rough skin, help to tighten and firm the skin, and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So overall, an amazing ingredient to use on your skin. Before we move on to the next ingredient, let us recap what we already have. We have a brown sugar, we have banana, and we also have tomato. So let us prepare these ingredients before introducing the other ingredient. So now let's work on the tomato. Now what I'm going to do with this tomato, I'm going to chop it in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. Now if you do not have a blender, do not worry. You can go ahead and you can grate the tomato. You can even choose to crush the tomato and extract the juice. So I'm going to cut the tomato in small pieces since I have a small blender and it's easier to blend when I cut it like this. Now once this is done, I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to work on the banana. So I'm going to peel my banana, and as you can see, it's very ripe and this is perfect, and I'm going to chop it in small pieces. Now what I'm going to do with the banana, I'm going to place the banana in the blender along with the tomato and I'm going to blend both together. So I'm just gonna cover, and do not add any water to this. Just blend the two ingredients as is. Now after blending, take a look at this. Here we have our banana and tomato puree, and I'm gonna pour this in a bowl and let's move on. I suggest that you make this facial scrub just as you're gonna use it. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And next I'm gonna reach for the tomato banana mixture. And I'm going to use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon is 15 ml, therefore 30 ml. Pour this in. And now I'm going to introduce another ingredient. And this is grape seed oil. Now you can choose to use your favorite oil in this, whether it is coconut oil, olive oil, or even some almond oil. If you have oily skin, use a lighter oil like the grapeseed oil. So I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil, and I'm going to pour this in. Now grapeseed oil is beneficial to the skin. It contains vitamin E, which will help to hydrate the skin, nourish the skin, and keep your skin soft and supple. Especially if you have oily skin, it is an amazing oil to use on the skin. And now I'm going to mix the ingredient together. So I'm going to mix all the ingredient together. And once this is done, take a look at this. This is your facial scrub made of banana, tomato, and brown sugar. Now this facial scrub can be used 2 to 3 times per week for best result. You want to keep it in your refrigerator for at least 7 days. Now use this to exfoliate the skin in circular motion. Remember to take it down on your neck and décolleté. Once you exfoliate your entire face for about 3 minutes, you're going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. Once you rinse off, you pat dry the skin and apply your favorite facial toner. After your facial toner is on your skin for about 3 minutes, go ahead and apply your facial serum and your facial moisturizer. An amazing skin brightening, skin clearing facial scrub, and basically a very, very effective facial scrub. Enjoy. So there you have it, a quick and easy facial scrub that you can use for amazing looking skin. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, so guess what? Do not leave without looking below. You're going to see the little word subscribe in red. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. And also follow me on my other social media. I'm on Facebook, Khichibeauty, Instagram _Khichibeauty. I'm also on Twitter as Khichibeauty, and I'm also on Snapchat. So check out my other social media platforms.